and don't love you, I love you. Nah.
Do you not get the concept?
Good morning, beautiful people. It's your girl Shanice, and today we are actually on the road on some business. I'm in my business owner slash business consultant hat today. As you can see, I'm all branded in my shirt, my hat, because I'm actually at a small business support seminar that is being hosted by JBDC alongside the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, and they've invited out like small business owners like to just come out and basically see the different types of support that they have to offer here in Jamaica, whether it be financial, business support, you name it. That's what's going on today. So I am here. I'm a bit late. The event started at 9. It's now 10:30, but that's fine because I guess it can come in and out. It goes all the way to 4. So I'm just gonna go inside and see what it's all about. And guys, I'm not gonna lie, the devil was deviling this morning. It's like he didn't want me to make it to the seminar because I got up and made breakfast for the boys and everything, and while we were getting ready in the bathroom, I saw the lights like flickering. So I'm like, what's going on? Lo and behold, the electricity went. So we've been out of electricity. I don't have any internet, I don't have anything. So who not stay home, right? So I decided to just stop by and see what it's all about. Plus I have a few errands to go and run on the road, and gone are the days where I'd see events like these, trade shows, like road shows, like you name it, and I'd kind of shy away from it as a business owner. But in 2025 I did promise myself that I am going to set myself up for success. I am going to take advantage of all the options that are out there for me to explore and just do the do as a business owner. I can go back a little bit more. Alright, I think I'll stay here. Never mind. Do the do as a business owner. So that's what we're doing today. So I'm gonna take you guys inside, let you see what it's all about. I plan to share this on my business services page as well. If you don't already know, I have a small business success hub where I just help businesses out by providing, whether it be business tips, business advice, like just information such as events like this that may be coming up that you want to attend yourself. So feel free to go on over and check out your girl. It's Small Business Success Hub, and we're on Instagram, and we are also on TikTok this morning. But yeah guys, let's go inside and see what it's all about. I also have a few business cards with me, because what kind of business owner would I be if I didn't walk with my business cards? So I think we have everything. Yeah, let's go.
But we remain optimistic. Our remain MSMEs will overcome these barriers.
Designs per se can also trademark my logo and business name. I didn't know that.
Yes, so trademark the logo and business name,
yeah.
But for the designs, you have designs.
Yeah, I do have designs that are specific to me.
Yes, and you can protect your designs
Oh,
as
I
well.
can protect my designs. Oh, nice. I've heard I've known fashion designers who have tried to go about it, because you have people constantly ripping off different designs, and they say it's a very hard process.
Yes, you protect your business.
They say it's very hard. They say it's very hard.
As long as it's unique, as for the design, there's a criteria to meet.
Okay.
As long as you
meet that criteria, then you're good. Oh, perfect then. Perfect, because I love that.
It expires the 10th of June. So if she renews it.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
So that I will encourage all the customers to go into that. Question again.
So guys, guys, I am just finishing up with the event. It was very informative. It's about 2 o'clock. They go up to 4, but I can't stay for the entire thing. But I'm gonna give you guys a little update of, you know, everything that transpired today, and hopefully, you know, you can take that information and put it to good use. Okay guys, so that is it for the road show. Guys, when I tell you, it's true what they say, like, you really don't know what you don't know, because I've learned so much in the past, like, 3 hours. I think I was here for 3 hours, 9, well, 10, 11, 12, 1, yeah, 3 hours. It was very informative. Like, I got a lot of information, like access to information that I guess was out there, but, you know, we may not know how to find it. So I would advise that you follow certain business entities such as JBDC, the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, as well as JIPRO. Like, I'm gonna leave a whole host of stuff in the description, guys. I got a few brochures here with me from JBDC, of course. Like, when it comes to like business development and just, you know, creating an environment that fosters business growth, JBDC is your go-to. I have stuff from like Companies Office of Jamaica, because you do know that I help small businesses to register, and there's just a host of information. I also got this is a cute notebook from JIPRO, so I'm definitely gonna use this. Came in handy. Love all my little goodies. So now I am gonna swing. Well, it's not time for pickup as yet, but I'm gonna do a little run at Bashco, see what I can grab for the house. And there's an accessory store nearby, so I'm just gonna walk to there, and then I'm gonna get the boys. Might grab something to eat because the girl is starving. Yeah. So yeah, let's go. So guys, I am in Bashco. Should I get a trolley though? I'm in Bashco looking at broom, because it looks like our house have a curse when it comes to brooms. Like, the brooms keep breaking, and they break like right where you screw the stick into the base of the broom. That's where they break, all of them. So it must be a thing. So I'm seeing a couple options here. Well, not a lot, but you know, I don't even know what that is. That's a big ass broom. Usually I get like these, but them not going good. Like, a long time I don't see them straw broomers still, but you know. I also see these microfiber flip mops and some little dustbin broom sets. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I really don't have a choice at this point in time. It is only $600, so I think I can work with it. This one is $19.50, but why the one here is so big? I don't understand. Alright, let's go. I'm also getting some muffins. Like, if you know, you know, Bashko's blueberry muffins are it. So I'm gonna take this juicy, scrumptious muffin. They also have like chocolate chips. Yeah. I couldn't help but look at these laundry baskets that they have. They're like straw baskets, and they're just so quaint. I love them. No, talk true, guys. Let me know in the comments, are these cute or what? I'd get one of these, but we have a laundry basket already. We have something like that gray one at the end, but when that's done for, I'm gonna come and grab one of these. They're just so cute. I have these little mugs. You know, Valentine's Day is coming up, so they say I love you, you're a sweetheart. Sorry. Like, these are so cute. I need to get one of these. They have this cute one that says "but first coffee." Well, I'm not a coffee drinker, but I will get this for like a coffee lover. They have for dads, they have for moms as well. basket, right? But I didn't bring any bag. So the lady was like, "Do you want to purchase a bag?" I'm like, "Miss, no, I don't want to bag me up. See all the broom. The broom has got to go." And the boy them all come in, some have to move this out of the way. She's like, "Any bags?" I was like, "No, miss, no bags. I don't buy bags, right?" So the guy that was helping to like pack up my stuff, he offered to help, so he took me to the car for me. God bless his soul, because I was struggling, right? But me just adamant to me not buying a bag, guys. I know a lot of you guys can relate, like we have too many bags to be out here buying more shopping bags. So I was like, no thank you. So now I'm gonna grab some lunch. Water bread. Don't ask me about water bread. You know, I think this come with age, with old age. Because I just took like 10 steps and I'm out of bread. So now we're gonna try and get some food. Maybe I get the boys patty. And then we're gonna pick them up. So the day continues, guys. The day continues. Alright guys, so this is my lunch for today. Not gonna lie, like this is a spot does really good food. The portions aren't really a lot, but when me tell you, the food well seasoned, tastes good. So I got rice and peas with some fried chicken, and you know, just to make up for a little bad habit of eating fried chicken, because I'm not supposed to be eating fried food, I got some raw veg on the side. So yeah, that's my lunch. I have a couple minutes to kill. Where the fuck? I have a couple minutes to kill before school is out, so I'm gonna hurry up and eat some of this, because as I said guys, I haven't eaten in 3 hours, so imagine that. So I'm gonna just taste this operative word taste and see what it's giving. Wow.
Always going inside.
Move the broom and go, baby.
Always going.
Sit down. So after I'm done, this is what the end results look like. Just some beautiful flounces. Love them. And this is gonna go on the tail end of the dress that I'm making, so just stay tuned guys, and I'll show you what the finish is all. Happy Friday guys, it is a Friday afternoon and I literally just got up and sped out the house because I have pickup duty, and I didn't realize the time, like the time was just going so fast, and you know, school ends a little bit earlier on a Friday. So I've been sewing all morning. I'm gonna show you guys a couple clips, like not much, but the first order of business, I did not go to the gym. I have a dress that I'm trying to complete. It is, I basically done like the cutting, pattern, drafting and everything already. This took a lot of manual labor though, because based on the style of the dress, I basically had to cut everything by hand or using my scissors, because the materials are so much to work with. It could not really fit on my cutting board, so I ended up having to a lot more work than usual, but I mean it's fine. So yeah, that's out of the way. I'll try and finish up later today, but as it stands, I'm gonna go and pick up the boys shortly. But before I do that, I have to go to the accessory store because I need some accessories for the said dress. And it's just so weird that I came on the road yesterday in the vicinity, had the stuff on my to-do list or to grab list, and still forgot it. Like, I don't know. So yeah, trying to get that out of the way, and rush hour traffic is beating me bad, but you know, it's not as bad as it usually is. So not complaining, you know. Everybody's timing is the way it is for a reason, so I'm trying not to like get upset when I'm running behind time or I'm late to go somewhere. It's just divine timing, and I'm just gonna work with it. I'm gonna grab some lunch later on as usual. Okay, don't cook on a Friday, right? Blame the Jamaican parents who do not cook on a Friday and leave the food to like fast food spots. But today we're eating a little bit healthier, so nothing unhealthy, no KFC, nothing greasy, no pizza this weekend. We're gonna grab something at a healthy food spot. So I'm gonna leave you guys to guess which food spot it is, and then when I get there I'll tell you guys if you're right or not. But yeah guys, it is the end of the week and I feel somewhat accomplished because I've gotten so much done, I'm not gonna lie. But I still feel like I could get more done, and that's always gonna be my problem. And I saw this quote this morning that actually said, basically it's saying you're worried about like all of these things. Maybe it's not because you are not accomplishing anything. Maybe it's because you keep raising the bar. Did you hear what I just said? It's not that you're not accomplishing the things, you know, it's just that you're raising the bar every single time. Like, you're just too hard on yourself. And I could relate so much because I am doing so much, like more than a girl should be doing, and I still feel like it's not enough. So I'm just gonna give myself some grace. Try not to be as hard on myself and just take it one step at a time, guys, because if I don't, it's gonna lead to some mental problems that I don't want right now. So yeah, I'm gonna do a look. So yeah, I'm gonna do a 1, 2, grab what I need and check back in with you guys. So catch you in a few. So guys, today's lunch is on Island Grill, of course. I got these two. Oh my god, let's do that again. So guys, today's lunch is courtesy of Island Grill. I got these 2 coupons. That's good for a satisfaction or a large yabba. I don't know what I'm gonna get yet, but let's see. I'm only gonna use one today and then I'm gonna save the other for next week. So yeah, let's go. I don't think I made a good call a while ago with walking in instead of going through the drive-through, because it took me a little while and I was marking the car that was like right behind me when I came in, and they went through the drive-through and got through like ages ago. So I said, listen, never again. But through the gas situation, it's because the gas situation kind of sticky, guys. We have to go in the drive-through, so I need to go and get some gas. Crap, can't get gas if I drive the way there. Let me figure it out, guys. Yeah, but yeah, I got some festivals. Crap, why look like it's like turning over. I got festivals for the boys and satisfaction for myself. And I know I said I was gonna get a yaba, but when I thought about it, a satisfaction really speaks to me over the yaba, because the yaba is like stew chicken, curry chicken, like them type of chicken, and I'm not in the mood for any of that. So I took jerk or barbecue. Well, at these festivals, when they're hot, chef's kiss. So I grab on a pizza festival. I want to put the car in reverse. Shanice, calm down. I'm going to snack on this, and then I'm going to shoot out. Delicious. Give me 4 cream more of them. So guys, we've come to the end of today's festivities. We got our food, we did some work, we got the boys. Oh, we got the boys and Zuri. Say hi. Oh my god. So guys, this is where I'm gonna go ahead and end today's vlog.
Making vlog.
Mommy is tired and I have work to do, and tomorrow is gonna be a busy day, so I'm ending today's vlog. Maybe we do a weekend vlog.
No, mommy. Want to be like Christmas? Can we do more vlogs?
Sure, no problem. All right, sit back, seatbelts, everybody. So the guys are advocating, the boys are advocating for more vlogs. I guess
Let's
it's
make
their thing.
100 vlogs.
Alright, no problem. I want you to sit back, put on your seatbelts. So guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog.
Mommy?
And don't forget to like, subscribe, share with a friend, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all.
Excuse me.
Wait! They don't love you like I love you.
They don't love you. I love you.
Yeah, me just now wait for you to see this. Oh, them my people, sit back. Just now wait for you to see this. I was waiting for Javi to see that I only have 1 bar. Zuri, me cannot turn on the AC in here. I have 1 bar and we need to get home. Okay, so I'm gonna say this one last time. Sit, put on your seatbelt. And if I have to repeat myself, I'm not getting anything.
I have my seatbelt on.
Okay, wonderful.
And connected with the same seatbelt. Yep.
So guys, this is where I'm gonna end today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what was your favorite part. So yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite part.
Okay, comment it down below.
What should they comment?
I don't know. They comment.
No, we're not doing vlogmas.
No, comment whatever you think is the best part.
Okay, good. Don't forget to also like this video, share with a friend, and subscribe. Bye. Say bye. Alright, let's go.
Why do you still have to